Hello guys, how are you? So if you are wondering why I have this look on, go check out my other video. I did the unboxing of the BoxyCharm and then I did the makeup separate. So I did the makeup and this is the makeup look. So we have today the Allure beauty box. This one is I want to say $15. It is $15, but they charge like 90 cents so for shipping and handling. So this one will be for the month of July 2018. So here we go. It comes with like a seal, but so basically everything doesn't fall out, and I don't think it's to protect the box at all, because I have gotten some boxes that are like horrible looking, but it's okay. I mean, it's a box. Here we go. Let's see how we open it. Usually has like little cute quote on side, and we have none this one. Surprise. Okay, so the first thing I see is a very thin magazine. Like it feels like it has nothing. It's like 1, 2, 4 pages, and then I see all the products inside right here. So let's start. This one is 20 gift for towards your next fully priced order on Bubble Bar. So if you guys wanna use that, I guess it's like clothes or stuff, and just use that code right there for the $20 gift. And the next thing I see is a special gift just for you. Have we told you lately how much you rock? We are celebrating our relationship with a special gift from one of our favorite brands, totally separate from your regular beauty box. It's our way of thanking you for being a loyal member of our club. Nice. So I don't know what it is. I think it might be this. bubblebar.com. Not my favorite, but yeah, it's not bad. And those are on the back. It just, gold is not my color. Like seriously, all my jewelry is silver, but maybe it looks nice. So let's just put it on the side. I see a lot of products this month, which I'm surprised because I usually get like 5 or 6. But let's see. The sun is shining and our serotonin is soaring, so we went a little over the top this month's beauty box. There are 7 amazing products in here for some of your all-time favorite brands for skincare. And then yeah, we're not gonna spoil the fun. Let's get going. So we have Luna by Sunday Riley Sleeping Night Oil, and I like night oils, but I like better than, I think it's called night spray. You put it on your pillow and it makes you relax and stuff like that. So we have Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. Next generation retinol oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. So I totally thought it was something else, but it's not. It's something for your wrinkles. It comes like that. Let's see. And oh, it's very cute. It's glass, so yeah, right here. And yeah, let's see. As I said in another video, if you hear my daughter crying or doing a noise, she's only 3 and she's with my husband. So yeah, that's about it. So we have those 2. Let's see. We have Feel Harmony is a rose petal facial mask, ultra concentrated toning gel. So this is like this. It's a sample size. It's 1 fluid ounce, rich in rose petals and oils and rose flower extracts. High concentrated toning gel that hydrates deeply. And then I never said how much the like big size of this is. This is like 105 of like, you know. So like if it's like a full size, it will be 105. This is just a sample. I don't know what the full size would go for. Don't use this or any if you're pregnant. Nice. Okay. So we have Feel Harmony. This one, the full size is $55. And it says everything about the mask is relaxing. It's loaded with skin calming aloe and vitamin E and smells like roses because the rose essential oils are actual petals in this formula. So how to use: you clean your face with warm water and dry thoroughly. Apply the mask to your face and leave it for 10 minutes and rinse off and dry face. Nice. The next thing I see is by Dose Ultra Precision Eyeliner in blue. Nice. I like blue. Whoa, and this is the awesome blue. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's amazing. I want to put it on right now. I love blue. Really nice. So this one, I guess, it is a full size and it's $22. So I already loving it. So this is when we challenge Zeus to make a summery eyeliner just for Allure. They came back with the perfect shade of royal blue. It's bright and cheery and super pigmented. Sometimes we use it to create graphic wing looks. Other days we blur it out and pretty haze of the sky blue trace your lash line. So the next thing we have Derma E. Let's see what this is. Yeah, so it's Derma E, and I did get this in another box. Just that it's weird. This finely filled powder is awesome for getting makeup and prevent shine on scorching days. So it has SPF. Nice. So it just comes like the, I guess, the powder by itself comes like that. And yeah, it's just 0.04 ounces. I thought it was gonna come with a brush because I did get the other, I think it's a full size or something, but it comes with the brush. So I'm not sure of how this, I guess like it just comes by itself. And it's good. $21.85 for the full size. Then we have Ouai hair care. Way, or I don't know how you pronounce that. And this one is actually for first time I tried a spray on leave-in conditioner. It was foggy rainy day in New York. So this is a leave-in conditioner, 0.84 foliate ounces, and the full size would be $26. I spritzed it over my damp hair, dried a little bit over floral smell, roughly dry for a few minutes, and hit it out in the mugginess. Normally my hair would be next morning whole, so get frizz protection. Plus the smell lingers, so it did double duty as a light perfume. Okay. So the next thing we have Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. That's a different thing. This one is actually $18 if it's a full size. This is a very cool concept. Pencil that is designed to be used all over. It's perfect for traveling and unexpected looks. You will get either a brown shade, whatever one, or red one, full red in your box, and you can experiment by using a lip, blush, contour, eyeliner, yeah, even the brow pencil. Wow, brow pencil for red, but I'm not sure if that's what they mean. I think I got the red, and it will be great for, oh my goodness, I'm wondering what's going on right there, up there. I hear my daughter crying. Let's see. So we have the Lega, and then let's see, it's red. So I'm obviously not going to, the other one was a, I'm not going to use it on my eyebrow. So next thing else is Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. Nice, I like lip balms. This one is 5 milliliters. This one is a rich lip balm. It's so creamy and so hydrating. It's a good scent whenever lips are extra dry. And because it's thicker than 99% of lip balms, it gives a lip a more obvious sheen. It actually looks more like a clear gloss and balm. Tap a little on, instantly you look more polished. You are gotta love what you shea butter. It's $21.50 for the full price, but this one seems like it's missing something. Like if it's like empty inside, this is probably not really a full thing. Let's see how much shine. Yeah, it's pretty shiny. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. I apply a little bit there, right here, and it's shiny. Okay, so that's it. And the last thing we have Olay Whip, absorbs faster than $100 and $200 and even $400 cream, and it's a trial size, and it's right here. Doesn't really talk about how much it is, but it does say, I couldn't open it. It says trial size. It's light as an air finish, and need to whip with active moisture to transform on skin for fast absorption and breathable feel. I'm really loving this box. It's like one of the best, other than the last one. I think it was like with a collaboration with somebody, and this one is really nice. Even for a sample thing, this one looks really nice. So this is advanced anti-aging results. Very nice. So that's about it. Really happy about the box, and yeah, so $15 is worth it, and I'm liking it. So if you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, leave the comment below. Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and keep on watching. I'm gonna have so many more videos. Bye guys.